Alright guys, so I just got home from work. Haley had a long day. Right behind me is swap outs, boxes we collected today. Well, she collected today. We're gonna go swap out 2 more now that I'm out of work, and we're gonna come home and show you what we did with these 11 boxes, guys. Stay tuned and stay blessed. So they're about to go do a swap out, swap out, swap out. There they go. Hey, yo, let me see that thing. Okay, that thing didn't do so good, but I see some money. Thang, thang, thang.
All right, come on.
Peace, guys. Another swap out. Let me see that thing. Let me see number 2 of the day. Okay, did better. Good job, Mike. Back home, and we got 11 boxes to pop open for y'all. Alright, guys. About to start popping these open. You know, we're going to run through these 11 boxes quick, see what they did. This one doesn't even look like it has a zip tie. It doesn't. It just opened on its own. Just a bar.
Which one?
This is a bar location, guys. That's what's inside. Whoa, money flying everywhere. Gonna count it and let you know how much it did. Alright guys, so it did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 51. 1351 1 week. Super excited about this new location. It's a bar. We're gonna jump into the second one, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere, guys. Second location here, nail salon. Box is full. This is gonna be literally a monthly location now, guys. So yeah, this location here doesn't do that well, and the area where the box is not in the greatest area. It's just like on top of a table where the magazines are in the business. There's some ones in there and some change. So let's see. The box is pretty much full. We'll count her up and let you know how much is inside. Alright guys, this nail salon did $8.96. Like I said, it's going to be a monthly location because there's a lot of candy in it and we don't want to go there every week. We're trying to expand this route and maximize our collections. So let's jump into the third. Alright guys, third box right here, a restaurant. As you can see, the box is full, man. So, not really expecting much from this one. Gonna turn it into a 2-weeker. Like I said, not much money at all in it. I'm gonna count it up and let you know how much exactly is in here. Alright guys, this location here, for it being in its first week, didn't do so good. It did $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6.50. $6.50 in a week. Not bad, but hopefully it picks up. So now let's jump into the fourth box. Alright guys, fourth location, fourth box. Box is stuffed with candy. I only see a couple dollars in there, to be honest. Candy's falling out. That's how full it is. I'm gonna pop it open, let you know exactly how much is in this bad boy. I don't even have to count up. I can count it right here. 250. That is absolutely disastrous. Hey, we'll take the 250, but let's jump into the fifth box. Alright guys, fifth box, bar location. This one did, you know, the box is still pretty much full, not as like the previous one. So hopefully this one did a little bit better. You know, that's part of the vending. It's part of vending. Okay, some ones and some change in there. Gonna count it up and let you know how much is in it, of course. Alright guys, bar location did $12.25. Pretty good in a week. I like those numbers because 12, 24, 36, 48 a month, hopefully. But I think, if I'm not mistaken, we're moving this to 2 weeks, so we may kind of cut back on some money, but we'll see, guys. Let's jump into box number 6. 6th box here. This is a restaurant. So we're gonna pop it open and hope that it did pretty good. Did okay. I'm gonna count it up, let you know how much exactly is in here. All right, this restaurant did $11.25 for the week, moving it to 2 weeks because as you can see, still has some candy. It can definitely go another week, guys. So let's jump into our 7th box of the day. All right, guys, 7th box. This is a bar location that last weekend the box was ripped open. There was about $10 in theft. So I'm interested to see how it did this week. Okay, that's what it got inside. Count it up, and of course, let you know how much is in it. All right, guys, bar location did $9.50. And yeah, that's the 7th one of the day. Now we're gonna get to the 8th box. Box number 8. This location here did pretty good last week. We got competition in this location, you know. Whatever. We're gonna pop it open, let you know how much is inside, guys. Okay. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Let's count it up and let you guys know. All right, guys, another good week from this new spot. $12.86, pretty good. Now we're gonna get to the 9th box. All right, guys, 9th box, as you can see, not too bad. Probably one of our better performers today. This is one of our weeklies. That'll always be a weekly. It always does good week to week. And look at all that. Look at all that. Look at all that. Let's count it up so you guys can know how much is in this weekly location. All right, guys, like I said, we've counted up this weekly location that always does good, and we got $25 in ones, $26, $27, $28.09 for 1 week. This is easily $100 a month, if not more, location, and we love it, guys. So now we're gonna jump into box number 10. All right, guys, super excited. We're getting to the better boxes here. This here is a little breakfast spot. That's what's in it for candy. We're gonna pop it open, and like I said, this is another weekly we just got, and this location kills. It feels heavy, so I'm excited to see what's inside. Ah! Look at all that. Look at all that. A lot of change and ones. Let's count it up because I know you guys are excited to see what's inside. All right, guys. We're going to count this one out together because this one here did very well. And this is actually one of my favorite locations because I just know, like, you know, when you pull up to a bar, a restaurant, any place, you know what kind of business it's going to be and what it's going to do because of the environment, location, you know, placement. But let's not do too much talking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 50. 25, 50 is amazing. In 1 week, this is another $100 a month location, guys, from a box. Let's jump into the last one because it's the best one. Last and final box, guys. I'm going to show you what's inside for product. What I am going to say is this here is a pizza shop, and this is what's inside for product. There's absolutely nothing, meaning there should be at least $30, at least, because it's empty. You know what I mean? 90 pieces of candy, you know, divided by 3 is 30. 3 for $1. So there should be $30. Me and Haley don't think there's $30. We're hoping at least, whether there's theft or not, we need 20 plus, guys. If not, then that's a pretty bad start to a new location. There it is. I see a $5 bill, a bunch of ones. Do I think it's 30? No. Do I think it's $22? Yes. Now let's count it together. I got a 5 here, okay, guys, to start off. 7 so far. A $2 bill. I'm actually gonna keep this. I've never gotten a $2 bill. $2 bill. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Like I said, the box is empty. We're going to begin counting. I said there's 22. I'm hoping there's 22 because the box is empty. We were hoping for 30, but it's not looking like 30. We got 5. We got a $2 bill here. That's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I was short, guys, by $1. That means $9 in theft, guys. It's upsetting. Good thing they asked us to put just Pops. I guess the candy. I don't know that it was affecting the sales. Maybe people were just taking melted candy and not paying due to services. But there's no excuses. Theft is theft. That's pretty bad. $9. We're going to deliver a Pops only display for this location. Hopefully it does better. We don't care that we collect this much. We just want to drop down that theft ratio, guys. So we're going to total up and let you guys know what we completed for the day. Alright, guys. So the moment you guys been waiting for. Today was a good collection. It was actually a great collection. Could it get better? Yes. But we actually collected $152 with 1 cent. It was crazy. As you can see, we still have tons of change here we got to roll up. Our boxes still have candy, which is very exciting. We don't have to put much in product, which is awesome, and we still managed to collect over $150, guys. You guys can do it. Anyone can do it. Do it for a good cause, guys. Make sure when you make money, try to give back just a little bit. It doesn't hurt to give back, guys. That's going to end the video, though. 152.01 for today. Tomorrow, we have 15 boxes we're collecting, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, as I always say. Stay humble, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.